So you want to replace your video game habit with a productive habit like coding. Good. Then this video is for you. I used to be an avid League of Legends player. I used to play a bunch of League of Legends and I was really addicted to video games in general. I mean, when I was really young, I got into video games. I started playing Minecraft, started playing League of Legends, Xbox, the whole lot, right? And I was really into video games just in general, never programming, never anything actually substantial that would grow myself. While I was playing League of Legends, I mean, essentially what would happen is I would queue up for a game of League of Legends. If any of you have played League of Legends, you may know what I'm talking about here. I would basically queue up for a game of League of Legends, and then I would get into a game, and win or lose, I would finish the game feeling like I have lost. I mean, I would feel like I've gotten nowhere in life, and obviously that was true. I've just played a game. But I mean, you basically you try and play that game to fulfill your competitive nature of wanting to win and to try and keep yourself occupied in the moment. You play this game to kind of as an escape, right? And that was essentially what I was doing. You know, every day I'd come home and I'd play League for hours and hours and hours, and I'd wrap up, go to work, come home, play League, go to work, come home, play League. And I did that for, I think, 6 or 7 years, like ridiculously long amount of time. I played League so much, it's incredible. And then what happened, the thing that actually made me change was the fact that I was able to actually, I was playing Minecraft, and at the time, my favorite Minecraft server went down, and there was no other Minecraft servers similar to it. And so what I did is I figured, hey, it can't be that hard to program because other people in the Minecraft space seem to be able to program pretty quickly. And I want to create this, this server that is no longer existing. And so I just went at it. I started programming, figured it couldn't be too hard, and I basically built this server many times over, but that's not the point of it, the point of this video. But I did start to love programming in general because it spawned from my love of gaming, really. The key thing that changed for me, that made me go from video gaming to programming, was the fact that I was actually able to hop into programming, and then my mind would be constantly active while I'm programming, similar to like it was in gaming. But as I was solving problems, I felt like I was winning, and it was never a loss. I'd never lose because I'd always progress a little bit more and progress a little bit more and progress a little bit more. And so once I was actually able to get the feedback loop of being able to create something and see it, and then be able to create another thing and then see that improve, and that loop continuing to improve, it was kind of like an addictive feedback loop. And that I was able to go from video gaming to coding because I thoroughly enjoyed the actual process of developing and the iterative process of actually being able to improve over time. And that captured my attention way more than playing video games and numbing my brain out and not actually proceeding in life. So I feel like you do actually have to fundamentally enjoy programming to actually be able to make that switch. But if you do enjoy programming, then please make the switch, because majority of the time that you are spending playing video games now is just wasted time. You could just be spending that developing and improving your skills. So essentially, I spent all these 7 years basically learning how to develop, and I was basically in the Minecraft ecosystem for majority of that time. And then I wanted to branch out because the majority of the Minecraft ecosystem was dying. And long story short, I became a full stack developer for a successful startup in my local area. I'm able to make way more money now, and I'm actually able to enjoy my life and continually improving every single day that I'm actually at my job. My job teaches me to learn and pays me really well to learn, and continually increases my market value, so that way they'll eventually pay me more, or eventually another company will pay me more because my market value is increased substantially through working with them, which is completely the opposite of gaming, right? If I kept playing video games and kept improving in that, it's not like that will eventually lead somewhere unless you're trying to become a professional gamer, which for some reason I had the delusion in my head that I would at some point. I mean, I've been playing it for that long that I figured that I would become a professional gamer, but that got replaced by coding, and I'm forever grateful for that. So it was a direct swap for me. Pretty much the majority of the time that I spent playing video games and playing League of Legends and playing Minecraft and all this, wasted time, essentially, that I look back on it now and think of it as wasted time, that was translated like a direct swap to programming. And that was able to capture my attention way more than video games ever could. And it's way more productive, and I earn way more, and I'm able to continually learn on a daily basis and get paid to do that. I hope that this video helps you make the switch from video games to software engineering, just like I did, and improve your life. If you are struggling to make this shift, just contact me and I'll help you out as best as I can. Comment in the comments section or just reach out to me through inbox or email or whatever. and I'll reach out to you guys as best I can to help you guys make this transition. So thank you very much for watching this video. And remember, don't do what you feel like doing, do what is required.